Hi, we are Techno Exponent and we are willing to help you about your project. We have gone through your requirement and understand that you need to build an application that people can search for sports coaches. They can also create profile and use GPS to find sports trainers nearby them. We have also gone through your attached files and have understood the document you have attached. Well, I'm more than happy to tell you that we will be definitely help you regarding your project, as we have over 8 years of experience including technologies like React Native, Firebase, Objective-C, Swift, PHP, MySQL, etc. and many more. And we have a really experienced development team working behind us, which will make your project a success. So here in this video, I will be briefing about some of our recently developed Android and iOS applications. So let's begin. So at first the project which I will show you is Edugene. It is a teacher finding application for students. Here user can register themselves as providing their first name, last name, email, phone and password, and they can also sign in with the Facebook account and also with their LinkedIn account. So after a successful registration, user can access the dashboard. So let me just quickly log in and successfully access the dashboard. So there is one thing I forgot to mention, which was user can register as a teacher, student or institute. So here I am logging in as a student. So after logging in as a student, I can see the list of courses which will be appeared in the dashboard. So from here user can check the course details by just clicking on this eye icon. And after clicking on this eye icon, the location of the subject where the subject is taught will be shown, and the day, which days they are teaching, will be showing as well. So from this home section, user can check and select categories of a education. They can select education first, then select the location, and then select the course details. And after selecting the course, they have to click onto this search button. And after clicking on this search button, a successful search result will appear, from which user can select one. And after selecting one, they have a look on the profile of the teacher, like where the teacher is belonged, which subject they teach, the qualification of the teacher, and many more. So there is a payment part also, from which user can check the previous payment histories. Student can check the batches which are conducted by the teachers. They can also collect the reward points, and there is a FAQ section from which student can check the frequently asked questions about each subject and each teachers as well, and they can directly contact to the Edugene company. So these are pretty much features about this application, and this application has many more features, and I request you to please check all the features in details, for which I have provided this application's link in the description part. Now moving on to our next project, this is Clockn. It is a SaaS based application, and it is an online timesheet management where organization can log in and they can manage their employees. So from this live look feature, organization can check which employees are presently working in, and there is one employee is working right now. So from this Clockn section, an employee can directly log in into the system by just clicking on to this job code and selecting a job code, and then they have to select the location, or just click on to this update location, by which the auto location will be detected, and then they have to click on to this clock in button. So by clicking on this clock in button, a message will appear which will show that the user has been successfully clocked in into the system. And after a successful clocking in, there will be a live timer going on which will calculate that employee's current day and week time. So if the employee want, they can just clock out from the system by just clicking onto this clock out button, and there will be also a message appeared by which it will be showing that the employee has been successfully clocked out. So this is the clock in portion, and a particular employee's report can be generated by an organization. Let me show you an example. Here user have to first select an employee, and after selecting the employee they have to select their starting date and their end date. So after selecting all these fields, they need to click onto this search button, and after clicking onto this search button, these employees total history will be generated as their in time, out time, total working time, total break taken time, and this report can be downloaded by the organization by just clicking onto this send report portion, and the PDF format of this report will be downloaded into their device. So this application is a paid application. As you can see, there is a free trial version going on. So in order to achieve all the functionality, user have to first subscribe into this application, for which there are three payment methods and three payment options, and user have to buy one, for which we have used Stripe payment gateway. So this application has many more features. To keep the video short, I cannot explain all those features to you, and I request you to please check all the features thoroughly. Now moving on to our next project. This is All Public Art. It is basically an art marketplace app for art lover, where user can buy or sell artworks. They can scroll through various kinds of artworks, and as well as they can find the nearby artworks location. So from this find art section, user can see their nearby artworks location. Here the device has detected my present location, so this red dot is my present location and this yellow dot is my nearby artworks location. So by clicking onto this yellow dot, I will be directly redirected to this nearby artworks location, so I can scroll through that artworks location, and user can directly post an artwork by this application, just clicking onto this post button, and they have to fill these required fields and provide the location also if they want. This is not mandatory, and just click onto this post button. So user can click or select a particular artwork, and they can also like on it by clicking on this like button. They can share this artwork, and they can also comment on this artwork, this is the comment portion, and just post on the comment. So there is also an interesting feature in this application, which is this chat feature. Here user can interact with another user directly. So here is the example of the successful conversation. So for this chat feature, we have used Firebase database and Socket.io for real-time chat experience. So this application has many more features, as the 360-degree view of a particular image can be generated, a direct say can be done from here, and user can also invite friends by directly sharing this app's link, and they can follow different peoples also, and manage these account settings as well. So this application has these features, so I request you to please check all the features thoroughly by just logging into the account. So these are few of our relevant works we have developed and I have shown you, and we have developed many more projects, and we will be more than happy to share those with you if got opportunity. So I do hope we get the opportunity to work together in the near future. So thanks for watching this video and have a great day.